Okay, this is part 1 of an example of how to do a 5 senses poem. So, here is my starter sheet with the 5 senses on it, and I'm going to be doing my poem on a food item, and one of the things I want to do is on a ginger beer, nondescript brand of ginger beer, bing, and a glass that I'm going to put it in a second. Put those to the side. So, go through from the bottom. I see, I hear, I smell, I feel, I taste. Now I'm doing this upside down on the camera, so what I'm going to do is I will do my writing off screen and then bring the page back onto the screen again so that it doesn't confuse everybody by writing upside down and making everyone dizzy. So, to start with, I am going to start off with something that I see, and I will write on this space here. So, here's my glass. There's my bottle. I see a glass. So I'm going to write on there that I see a glass and a bottle. It's kind of boring, but it's a start. So I hear nothing at the moment, but I will pull out and then up. So kind of heard a fizz or a sizzle, and then when I pull the top off, a pop. So I've got those. Can't really see them, but I've scribbled them in blue. There. So, can I smell anything at the moment? A little bit of ginger. Or spice. Ginger or spice. Can I see anything yet? Can I see the ginger beer? No, not really. So I will pour. So I heard a whoop whoop sound. A whoop as it came out of the bottle. There was some bubbles. So I saw some bubbles. The sizzles again. Lots of that. I see sort of a goldy brown. And I heard some popping, maybe, some more popping, some fizz. Can I smell? So the ginger and spice, it's a little bit sweet. Now, the glass is a little bit cold, the bottle's a bit cold, so it came out of the fridge, so cold. And I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera, but there's little bits of condensation on the outside of the bottle, so it's a bit damp. And water. Right, so the taster. So it's sugary, sweet. It is definitely liquid. I can taste the cold. And the ginger is in there too. Ginger. Spicy. But nice spicy. Feel it's definitely cold drinking. What else? What else can I see? A little bit of bubbles. A little bit cloudy. Can I smell anything else? Not really. So, there is my little bit of draft words. So I see glass, bottle, cloudy, gold, some bubbles, some brown. I heard sizzles, some fizz, a pop when I pulled off the thing, and whoops, whoop noises when it came out of the bottle. Ginger, spice, and I smelt sweet. I could feel the cold, a little bit damp on the bottle, the water, and I tasted sugar, sweet, liquid, cold, ginger and spice. So, I will now combine these draft words into a descriptive 5 senses poem. So I see cloudy gold bubbles, so I might circle those. I hear sizzle fizz pop, I like that, so I might just go 1, 2, 3, sizzle fizz pop. I smell sweet ginger, and I feel cold, damp. I think I also felt the bubbles in my mouth, so I might put that there. Bubbles and pops. So I feel cold bubbles. Might circle that one. And I tasted sugar, ginger, sweet, liquid ginger. I might put sweet, liquid, and then ginger. So now I'm going to combine those. I'll put you to the side, you to the side, and here is my poem page. So I'm going to put my blue drafting pen away and get out my blue writing pen, and I see cloudy gold bubbles, or gold cloudy bubbles. Gold cloudy bubbles I think sounds the best, so I'll put that in. I see gold cloudy bubbles. So there it is, gold cloudy bubbles. I hear sizzle fizz pop. Sizzle fizz pop. I smell sweet ginger. Here we go, sweet ginger. I feel cold bubbles. Cold bubbles pops. Cold bubbles sounds good. Okay, cold and I taste sweet liquid ginger. So sweet liquid ginger. So I'll take my drafting poem away. So my poem, 5 senses poem based on some ginger ale or ginger beer. I see gold cloudy bubbles. I hear sizzle fizz pop. I smell sweet ginger. I feel cold bubbles. I taste sweet liquid ginger. And now I will fold this page in half for just my cool poem. Gold cloudy bubbles, sizzle fizz pop, sweet ginger, cold bubbles, sweet liquid ginger. And there's my 5 senses poem, part 1.